A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Friday, U.S. District Judge Leo Sorokin from Massachusetts reaffirmed a nationwide injunction that prevents President Donald Trump's executive order aimed at limiting birthright citizenship. This decision marks a continuation of judicial resistance against the controversial executive action, which has faced multiple legal challenges since its inception. The ruling comes after a coalition of Democratic-led states filed a lawsuit against the order, arguing that it undermines the constitutional rights of American-born children. Judge Sorokin's written ruling emphasized that the nationwide injunction was essential to provide complete relief to the plaintiffs, rejecting arguments from the Trump administration that a narrower ruling would suffice. The judge stated that evidence presented did not support the notion that a more limited injunction could protect the plaintiffs from potential harm if the executive order were to take effect during the ongoing litigation. The executive order, which seeks to deny automatic citizenship to children born on U.S. soil to non-citizen parents, has been a contentious issue, raising questions about the interpretation of the 14th Amendment. In his ruling, Sorokin noted that the Trump administration failed to demonstrate how a narrower injunction could be implemented without causing significant administrative or financial burdens on the plaintiffs. He criticized the administration's stance, arguing that it defied both legal principles and practical logic. The judge expressed confidence that the Supreme Court would ultimately address the constitutional validity of Trump's order, but until then, he affirmed that the executive action is unconstitutional. This ruling represents the third time a court has blocked or upheld a block on Trump's birthright citizenship order since a pivotal Supreme Court ruling in June, which limited the scope of nationwide injunctions but allowed for class action lawsuits. Earlier this week, a U.S. appeals court also ruled against the executive order, reinforcing the legal challenges it faces. New Jersey Attorney General Matthew Platkin, who led the lawsuit, hailed the ruling, stating, "American-born babies are American, just as they have been at every other time in our nation's history. The president cannot change that legal rule with the stroke of a pen." The legal battle is expected to escalate, with the case likely to return to the Supreme Court, which has a conservative majority that has previously favored the Trump administration in significant rulings. As the political landscape continues to evolve, the implications of this ruling extend beyond the courtroom, as it reflects broader debates surrounding immigration, citizenship, and the limits of executive power. The ongoing legal challenges underscore the contentious nature of Trump's immigration policies and the fierce opposition from Democratic states and advocacy groups. In a statement following the ruling, White House spokesperson Abigail Jackson expressed confidence that the administration would be vindicated on appeal, asserting that the courts are misinterpreting the Constitution. This latest development in the ongoing saga of Trump's birthright citizenship order highlights the complexities of immigration law and the role of the judiciary in shaping policy. As the legal battles continue, the nation's discourse on citizenship and immigration is sure to remain a focal point in the lead-up to the next election cycle. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.